You've been hearing about Microsoft Copilot for a while now, so let's get back to basics. Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today, we're going back to the basics with Copilot 101. Microsoft Copilot is going to change the way you get things done. Built to boost your productivity and spark creativity. It's your everyday AI companion ready to lend a hand in Microsoft's apps and services you already know. Like here, over here, and here. Really, anywhere you see the logo. Let's see what we can do. Down here, you can chat with Copilot just like you would with a friend. Type or talk to kickstart all kinds of help. Not sure where to start? Here are the key ways Copilot can help you get things done. Create, edit, ask, catch up, and understand. Let's see how we can create in Word. Write a paper on the benefits of design thinking. Copilot can craft the first draft in seconds. There you go. Then it's up to you to review and revise and really make it your own. And whatever you create, you know your data is safe. Copilot respects the security and policies already in place across Microsoft apps and services. Change the way you get things done with Copilot. And there you have it, your 101 gateway to Copilot. Remember, Copilot is free, but certain features like using Copilot on your Microsoft 365 apps require you to either have a Copilot Pro or Copilot for Microsoft 365 subscription. But that doesn't mean you can't ask Copilot to write you a draft. You can still use Copilot on your taskbar or Edge browser, which is absolutely free, as your writing assistant, and then copy it down onto your Word document or email. Copilot is here to help you save time for the things that matter. Copilot is not only on Windows 11 devices, but also on Android and iOS devices. So why not try it for yourself? If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.